Dakota and I are out here in the woods today to see if you really can cut down oak trees with the Ryobi lithium-ion brushless reciprocating saw.
We're gonna show you one right now.
Dakota's here to supervise, make sure we don't lose any limbs. Isn't that right, Dakota? Or are you just here to scare off the bears? Now we have this part of the woods that I like to call the Bermuda Triangle of the woods, because if you look here, you can see all this damage on that oak tree from lightning strike. And then we have another oak over here. You can see it just split that sucker open, lightning strike. And this one right here has a little bit of lightning strike damage. They're all in the same area. And over there, we don't have any lightning strike with that trailer. Thank goodness, because that's got $1 million worth of inventory in it. I mean, literally $1 million worth of inventory in that reefer right there. And then we have another 53 foot over there that is going to be getting shelves. That'll be a whole different video. We'll fill it full of shelves, and we're going to move over and organize about a half a million, $500,000 worth of inventory into that, so that if somebody wants to purchase that business with that inventory, they can just hook up to it and go. But today, we're going to check out and see just how good this Ryobi is. It's a pretty good size. I'd say about 4-5 inch diameter. Well, if you look at it from this direction, it's 5 or 6 inch diameter, 4 or 5 inch diameter here. We've already used the same Ryobi to cut down here at the roots. We're gonna cut up here, and then later we'll tie to it and leave it kind of long so we'll have leverage, tie to it and bring it down, so that we can get the next trailer right up in here. And we're not going to park the trailer right here in this spot where all this other tree mess is. Isn't that right, Dakota? We don't want to park a trailer right here because this is lightning territory. For some reason, you can see where there was a stump right here, and we just pushed this tree down with the tractor. It left a hole there where the stump was, and that was the smaller tree right here. And it was dead from lightning too. So something about this spot right here attracts a lot of lightning. So we're not going to put the trailer right here in this circle of death. We're going to back it up into that hole back there towards where the storms flipped over my shed. It's all bent up and upside down. You see that shed being built in another video, and it's already destroyed. We'll have to rebuild it. But without further ado, let's get to sawing on this thing and see if it really can, with just one battery charge, cut through this oak tree. I'm going to start cutting a wedge here because I hope to fell this away from the camera, and then I'm going to cut straight right here, and I'm going to try to get out of the way. Okay, evidently the critters didn't like me. Started biting me. But what we have here now is we've got a good cut right here, but it's pinching the blade, which means it's leaning towards us and leaning towards the camera. So I'm gonna have to get something to tie and pull it the other way. I'm very impressed with how quickly the Ryobi cut through there. And now I believe that we can just pull it down. So we're gonna toss this up in the tree. Now that I've got my rope up there in the oak, and I've got it around the other oak tree, I can come over here and hide with you guys. Looks like if I cut a little bit more, she might fall out that way. There's a link in the description take you right to this Ryobi brushless cordless that, yes, will cut down an oak tree. Dakota says be sure to watch our other videos and subscribe. Don't do anything I do in my videos, and don't even do anything I talk about in my videos. Welcome to Saneauto. We're so glad you're here. We don't just do repairs and tool reviews.
Bienvenida a Saneauto. Nosotros no solamente hacemos reparaciones de autos.
We also film hot rods and mod rods, project cars, classic cars, antiques.
Nosotros también filmea autos antiguos, mod rods, hot rods, cualquiera.
We also like to take you with us to the car shows and the cruise-ins, so make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything.
Me gustaría llevarte con nosotros a los cruise-ins y car shows. Entonces, empuja ese botón y toca de campaña para que no pierda nada.
Hello!